The tip of this notebook is that here you can insert notebooks which fill this book. It's very convenient. At the beginning, let's start with the simple notebooks. We will decorate them. I have the cheapest ones. Each notebook should be wrapped with paper for watercolor. It's dense and it's convenient to draw on it. And we'll draw also with watercolor, so this is what we need. Then I began to draw. I'll draw a strawberry. If the paint is dry, you can take markers, then just start drawing tails of strawberries. We've done. It looks so cool. I'll continue. For the next notebook, you can draw where you want. It depends on your fantasies. Now it's time for a book. We need a felt, very dense felt. This book consists of 4 notebooks. Gather them together, attach a notebook, then circle it. Then take a stack and measure the weight of the rock. Cut out the workpiece. This will be the cover. Then also slightly cut out round corners. Now we need a hobnail. Put a point in the middle. At the top put 2 points and the same point bottom. Now I pierce it and do the same things with the others. Take the elastic band. It looks like lace. Take the notebook, find the middle, also find the middle of the second notebook and put on the elastic band between them. So we combine 2 notebooks. We insert 2 notebooks in a book in the first elastic band. Also I made 2 elastic bands. First elastic band will help us to combine 2 notebooks, do the same things. And as you can see, there's a gap. We connect the first stalk to the second with the help of this elastic band. So our traveler's book is ready. You can leave it as it looks, but I'll continue. And also, as I said before, it depends on your fantasies. I hope that you liked this video, and if so, then let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.